We have Colorado checking in, and I've got to get to Vivica because she is leaving for Portugal tomorrow. So let's wish her a bon voyage and see if we can bring in Vivica von Rosen from Colorado. Vivica, are you there?
Hey, I'm trying to be there.
Hey, you are.
Hey, everyone.
Just transported you in here from Colorado.
Excellent.
And so what we're going to ask you to do, you come from an amazing company who's just dominating LinkedIn with your mastery of it. And so tell us a little bit about how another part of this building your foundation in the new economy works as LinkedIn. Everybody knows about LinkedIn. Everybody's got a profile. Is it really working for you as well as you hope, or do you need a little help? So Vivica, tell us a little bit about what you do with LinkedIn, if you would.
Awesome. Thank you, Mike. Yeah. And I can see you, but you can't see me. So just by raising hands, because I actually can see you. How many people in the room have a LinkedIn profile? Awesome. Keep your hands raised. Are you making money through it that you can track? And all the hands go down, except for like, yes, you in the back. That's the problem, right? We have these great tools, and they're great tools for the new economy, but we don't always know how to use them. And there are really different, different ways to use LinkedIn. One of them specifically is your brand. Are you coming across the right way? And, you know, in the new economy, in a way, we can be whatever we want to be. And so we can create the presence that we need to create. If you're starting a new business, if you're transitioning businesses, if you want to grow your business, if you've got, you know, if your business has gone off in another direction, maybe you don't have the time, the money, the resources to invest right at this moment, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 in a website, but you can use LinkedIn to create that strong personal brand. And not only that, but you can create that brand that positions you as an expert in your particular industry. When I started on LinkedIn, I wasn't a LinkedIn expert. Nobody was. Well, maybe Reid Hoffman, because he started the company. But, you know, I wasn't a LinkedIn expert. I just happened to get that handle, and then I spent the next 12 years proving it's true. So it's the same thing for you. As you create your presence, as you develop your business with all of the different tools that you're going to hear about tonight, you want to make sure that that's reflected in LinkedIn. And then similar to that, you know, as we are sitting here, some of you face-to-face, human-to-human, some of us via Zoom, you know, there is no limit to the individuals that you can do business with in the new economy. We've got, you know, we've got vendors and strategic partners and potential clients and potential employees and candidates. The world is open to us, and the geography is open to us, with the exception of like the room you're sitting in, you know, obviously stuck in time and place. However, there are, you know, there are co-sharing spaces like WeWork around the world now. Well, there is WeWork around the world now, you know, and so we have this opportunity to find, connect, and engage with individuals using technology like Zoom or using meeting spaces like WeWork. And we're able to find them through LinkedIn. And then finally, to circle back, and because I know I'm running out of time here, finally to circle back, we can actually position ourselves as experts. We can create the content we need to. We can curate the content that we need to. That really, and we can use LinkedIn to share that content, and that can really help people who are coming to our profiles or who we're engaging to get a better sense of who we are using video, which unfortunately you can't see right now. And I did my hair and everything, man. I did this whole rant on LinkedIn. Has this thing called native video now, and I did this huge rant on it's not fair. Women have to do their hair and their makeup, and men can just like put on the ball cap and be good to go, and it's just not fair. But nonetheless, we do have these opportunities through video, through written, you know, through blog posts and publisher to showcase who we are and our expertise. And again, all of this is new, new in the past 10, 15 years, but it's really, if you look at the bigger scheme of things, it's new, and it's this new digital economy, and that's why I wanted to talk to you guys today. So I thank you for your time, and I'm like speaking at 1,000,000 miles a minute because I wanted to get all the information across to you.
Well, thank you so much. Everybody, let me tell you that Vivica volunteered her time here to be here and share her experience and knowledge with you. She's leaving tomorrow for Portugal. So believe me, this was a big favor. We really appreciate your contribution. So we'll let you go. Bon voyage. Wish you well.
Thank
And we're
you.
going to follow up, because that's what digital networking is all about. So like I said, while you're out of the country having fun, I'll be here working and helping people to get to you and improve their LinkedIn profile. So thanks again, Vivica.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.
Okay, like I said, the New Economy Chamber is the portal to everything and everybody you are learning from tonight, okay?